Hello, welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll explain the total quantity condition in our Cart Lock app. Open the Cart Lock app. First, click on the Add a New Rule button. Next, click on the Add a New Condition button. From the list that appears, choose the Total Quantity option. Here, block if less than sets the minimum quantity allowed, anything less gets blocked, and block if more than sets the maximum quantity allowed. Anything more gets blocked. Remember, you can't use block if less than and block if more than at the same time. For this example, we'll enter 5 in the block if less than field, so the customer's order will be blocked if the total quantity is less than 5. Next, give your rule a name. This name is just for internal use. Then set a message that customers will see when the rule is triggered. Keep it simple and helpful. Click the Save button to apply your rule. That's it. Your rule is now set. Now let's add some products to the cart. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message we set in the rule is showing, and the order is blocked because the total quantity of all cart items is only 4, which is less than 5. Now, let's increase the quantity of the items. Once again, let's head over to the checkout page and take a look. As expected, the error message is gone because we've now met the minimum total quantity requirement of 5. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!